Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to show your SoundCloud music as your Discord status. First, open your browser and go to the official Premid website. Download the Chrome extension, then click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Wait until the extension is added to your browser. Next, open the Premid extension and click Get Started. Connect your Discord account by signing in with your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if they appear. Continue following the setup instructions. If Premid asks you to remove any activities, choose the ones you want to remove or keep the default settings. You may also see a premium subscription page. Simply choose to continue without premium and finish the setup. After the setup is complete, open the Premid extension again. If it asks for any permissions, allow them so it can detect your browser activity and update your Discord status correctly. Now, open the SoundCloud website and play any song you want. Wait a few moments for Premid to recognize the track. Finally, open Discord and click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Your current SoundCloud song should now appear as your Discord status. Thanks for watching.